Just made a New York strip steak with a herbed compound butter. It's good.
It's time to season the first side of your steak with pepper and then salt. I like to press the seasoning in with the tips of my fingers. Once you flip over your steak, you're just going to repeat and do the same thing on the other side. When making a compound butter, make sure your butter is at room temperature. Here I'm just adding salt and a mixed herb blend, and I'm just going to mash everything with my hand to start. Once you've added the blend you desire, this is where your spatula comes in to really fold everything in. Here's the fun part, it's time to mold the butter. So all you're gonna need is some plastic wrap. You're gonna pull a sheet off like this. Once you have the plastic wrap centered, you're gonna scrape the compound butter onto the plastic wrap. Essentially, we're trying to get this butter in the form of a log or a cylinder. So I always fold the plastic wrap over the butter, and then I use my hands and I try to press it into a log shape. It's a little messy here, but that's okay. I'm just gonna take my spatula, I'm gonna scrape it towards the end, and then I'm gonna repeat the same process by folding the plastic wrap over the butter. This will give me a better shape. I'm satisfied with the shape, so all I do is pinch the ends to make sure that the butter is full within the shape. Then I pull off 2 pieces of the plastic wrap. I make them into strings like this, and then I tie them onto each edge of the compound butter that we just made. Tying these plastic strings on the edges ensures that the shape stays firm, because we're going to put it in the refrigerator and then it's going to solidify and you'll have your compound butter. Once you're done tying both sides, just trim off the extra plastic. This is what your compound butter is going to look like, and then from here it goes into the refrigerator. It's time to cook your steak. I'm just prepping the pan with some oil. I'm just cooking it the traditional way, 45 degrees on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. I'm just looking for that beautiful color. I like my steak more on the medium well side. Don't forget to let your steak rest. In a hot pan with butter, add your egg. This part is totally up to you. You can cook your egg however you like it. Now that your steak has rested, it's time to slice. Now that our steak is plated, I'm ready to slice the compound butter. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.